Regulation 22. The regulation specifies that watertight doors in ships should generally remain closed during navigation to ensure safety, with certain exceptions. These doors may be opened for crew or passenger passage work nearby or specific circumstances like emergency, but must be closed immediately after. The wider than 1.2 meters in machinery spaces or below. Certain decks require special attention and must stay closed unless absolutely necessary. Portable plates, cargo, and gangway door must also be sealed before and during navigation. The opening and closing of these doors should be logged, and the master is responsible for enforcing the procedure. Certain doors may be opened at the master's discretion, provided the ship safety is not compromised. Regulation 22.1 requires passenger ship carrying 36 or more person to have a flooding detection system for watertight spaces located below the bulkhead deck. This system must be implemented according to guidelines established by the relevant international organization. Regulation 24. Openings in the shell plating the outer hull of the ship that are located below the deck, which limits the vertical extent of potential damage, must be kept permanently closed during navigation. This is to prevent water from entering the ship, which could compromise its safety by causing flooding or affecting the ship stability. Regulation 25. Single hold cargo ships other than bulk carriers that were constructed before 1 January 2007 must comply with the requirements of this regulation by 31 December 2009. This means that older ships must be retrofitted with the necessary water level detectors by this deadline to enhance safety by monitoring water ingress in the cargo hold. The regulation set a clear time frame to ensure compliance with modern safety standards.